We, at Mr. Money Press, consider it an honor to have you as a member. With each video we release, you can anticipate learning fresh advice regarding the most recent reviews and techniques for making money online. Here, we regularly research the best performers from around the world. These span a wide range of topics, such as technology, investment, stocks, Bitcoin, and many more. In this video, we will tell you how to make money online without any investment. Hello everyone. Because of COVID-19, we had difficulty returning to work on site or in the office in 2022. Many people quit their jobs to start online businesses or stores. Fear of commuting as well as fear of this virus, we had the same experience. Many people worked extremely hard just to live another day. In fact, the majority of them tried numerous ways to earn money online just to get by. What if we told you that there are other ways to make money online without investing any money? We believe you have the necessary skills and experience, and that is the only investment you require. If you watched our video on ways to make money online, you now have online money, and we'll show you how to make more of it. Let's all watch the entire video to learn and get started growing our money right away. Now, you'd like to start making money online, but you're not sure where to start. We all know that many people believe that they don't need money to make money, right? After a while, they develop a limiting belief that prevents them from succeeding. But what if we told you that you can make money without having any money as long as you are creative? Does that make sense? Well, you are lucky. Today, all we want to do is reveal everything. Some of them are literally making a lot of money from products that I didn't even have to create. Otherwise, you could literally begin with very low risk and still make money this week. When you start making money, you'll wonder, how can I make more money out of this? How can I get more out of this? The first step is to visit the website pricyapp.com. You can get started here for absolutely nothing. You could see exactly how this website worked. When people purchased from eBay, it literally took your credit card, purchased it from Walmart, shipped it directly to your eBay customer, and updated the tracking. So when you started making money with no money of your own, you simply started automating it. Another option is to apply for a travel rewards credit card. You might as well rack up free credit rewards points if you're spending money that isn't even your own and your customers are paying for your credit card bill. All you have to do is go to nerdwallet.com and sign up for one of these travel rewards credit cards. This is what we did to literally get a bunch of free travel rewards points. We flew business class for free and stayed in a hotel for free for 30 days. So we want you to sign up there and earn some points. We want you to have the same experience. We want you to be successful. So this is the first way. In another way, it's a form of high-ticket affiliate marketing. So, previously, the first thing we wanted to do was start a YouTube channel, but we didn't know how to make money from it. So, one day, we began interviewing people, and there was this girl who made $30 million, and this guy who makes $1 million online. So we made a video about ways to make money online and it went viral. All of those people ended up approaching us and saying, hey, we'd like to learn more about how you make money online. They're contacting us. So, what we did was create videos on YouTube, which is free and requires no investment, and we literally created a video that people were looking for. If you search for 10 best Bitcoin mining apps, you'll find us on the first page. So we started making videos about how to get rich with Bitcoin, how to get free Ethereum, and ways to make money online and began building an audience. One of them has an online business and wishes to learn more about making money online. So we'd like you to visit amazing.com/affiliates. They have an affiliate program at amazing.com/affiliates. It's a way for you to recommend others and be compensated for it. They've worked with Richard Branson, Damon John, Robert Kiyosaki, Dave Asprey, Sarah Blakely, and John Mackey, and they literally pay you $2,392.80 per referral. So, if you get more people to invest in and buy the product, you will literally earn a lot of money just by doing that. That is how you will make money with that method. We took it to the next level with other products, where you can see that this isn't even a product that we created, but we still made a lot of money in commissions. What else can you do to make money without investment? People think you need investments when you make money online because they have second thoughts and ask themselves, don't I need a website? Do I really need an inventory? Do I really need sample products? The answer is, of course, no. We simply want you to go to clickbank.com, because there are literally hundreds of products that you could sell and make a lot of money. Let me tell you, one of the first ways we made money online was through ClickBank. If you watched our previous video, we're sure you're familiar with clickbank.com right now. It is one of the best methods we had for going from $0 to $50,000 in 30 days. You can see some of the products that can be sold there. There are literally hundreds of thousands of products available. So, if you're thinking, how do I ship the product? How should I handle this product? How should I handle customer service? Is a physical inventory required? Do I have to pay for the product myself? Do I have to keep the products on hand? You don't have to be concerned about that. ClickBank will handle the shipping, the handling, the customer service. They have spent their own money on the inventory, and they will pay you the majority of the money. So that's another way to make money online without making an investment. Now, combining all of these strategies will undoubtedly increase your earnings. If you want to earn a consistent income, make an effort and we guarantee you will earn more than we do. So, let's go over our earning methods once more. First, we want you to visit priceyak.com. This service is completely free. It enables you to buy a product from another online store and have it shipped directly to your eBay customer address. You don't even need your own inventory or sample products. Second, we want you to visit nerdwallet.com. This is the best option for you if your customer pays for your credit card payment. While they are paying for your credit card payment, you will earn points. You can sign up for any of those reward credits. It allows you to earn credit rewards points, which you can then use to get a free flight or a free 30-day hotel stay. Third, please visit amazing.com/affiliates. You can earn money by referring others to invest in or purchase the product. The more people you refer who invest and buy the product, the more money you can make. Build your relationship with your customer so that you can try and convince them to invest and buy the product. Fourth, we want you to visit clickbank.com. Hundreds of thousands of products to sell online can be found here. You don't have to worry about inventory because they pay for it. All you have to do is decide which product to sell online. That's all for today. Anyway, which method do you want to utilize the most? Tell us in the comments section, and if you loved this video, kindly hit the like, subscribe, and the bell to get notifications on new videos when they are posted. Until next time.